Can you describe something without even seeing it? This is the story of Wisdom Paves the Way. 4 young men were traveling to Ujjain in search of work. We have journeyed far from home, yet we still haven't found work. How long has it been since we left our village? More than a week, maybe longer.
10 days, to be precise. Look, camel footprints. Let's observe carefully.
I noticed something.
Me too.
So did I. My discovery is different.
My camel is lost. Have you seen it? Is your camel lame in one leg? Is it blind in the right eye? Yes. Does it have a short tail? Yes, exactly. Does the camel have stomach pain? How do you know all this? You must be thieves. Come with me. I don't believe you.
What is the matter?
They know everything but say nothing.
Only 3 footprints were clear. The camel is lame. It ate leaves from one side. It is blind in one eye.
Insects bit it. A long tail would protect it. Its steps show pain. It has stomach trouble. Interesting.
Amazing wisdom. I was wrong. You shall be my advisors.
We are honored. Wisdom is not just seeing, it is understanding. What clue did you notice first?